In this video, I'll show you how to accept credit card payments with Stripe and WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Plugins, then click Add New Plugin. Search for a Stripe payment plugin such as WP Simple Pay, Stripe Payments, or another Stripe-compatible plugin that fits your website. Next, install and activate the plugin. Once the plugin is active, open its settings page and look for the option to connect your Stripe account. After that, log into your account at Stripe and complete any required business verification steps if you haven't already done so. Then return to WordPress and click Connect with Stripe. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between WordPress and Stripe. Now configure your payment settings. Choose your currency, payment methods, and any additional checkout options you want to offer customers. Next, create a payment form. Enter the product name, service name, or donation details along with the amount you want to charge. Most Stripe plugins include a simple form builder that makes this process easy. After that, save the form and add it to a page using the plugin's block or shortcode. Then publish the page so customers can access it. Now test the payment form to make sure everything works correctly. Many plugins allow you to use Stripe test mode before accepting real payments. Finally, switch the plugin from test mode to live mode when you're ready to start accepting credit card payments from customers on your WordPress website. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to accept credit card payments with Stripe and WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn ModeLab for more tutorials.